Hello everyone and welcome back to my more important analysis videos on Wednesday 25th of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at cable, which continues to sort of consolidate this breakdown below 140 big figure. This is a pivot over the last few months, not to the pip I might add, but it is clearly not only a pivot but also a psychological level. Has basically been used as a basis of resistance today. Was supportive late March into early April, although you did have a kick to 39.65 before rallying. So that sort of gives you an impression that there is a resistance band, I think, effectively 39.65 to 40 big figure. And that old support is now new resistance. So the market is still interestingly poised actually on the momentum indicators. The MACD lines and the RSI are still relatively positive. I mean, basically just showing that the market is just unwound at the moment. And if the RSI starts to go sort of consistently below 40, I think that would really sort of suggestive that we are sort of pulling back towards 37.10. The support of 39.15 still intact for now, interestingly enough. And then 38.85 as that minor reaction low from March. But yeah, we are still holding on to the support, but the resistance is sort of still building and not being able to break out to the upside. You can see here 140 big figure, even on the near term chart, is a bit of a level, isn't it, on a pivot. Then 141 figure is an old breakout. This old breakout here from early April is again a basis of resistance, and I think unless you get above that, I don't think you can really say that this is any sort of sustained improvement could be seen. So you've got this hourly chart which also shows you a downtrend, and that downtrend comes in around 140 big figure now. So this confluence of resistance is building. Hourly chart, similar to euro dollar really, hourly chart sort of shows the MACD lines crossing negatively again, which reflects this sort of growing downside sort of pressure. RSI failing around 60. Again, similar sort of move. So there is a sort of strength that's being sold into now. So we need to be careful of that. But for now, we are still holding the support. But a breach of that 39.15 would reopen the downside once more. So I wish you good luck in your trading. I'll speak to you later.